The Pottery Barn Key Rewards Visa credit card, issued by Capital One, is a specialized financial tool designed primarily for dedicated shoppers of the Williams-Sonoma family of brands, and it offers surprisingly strong incentives for everyday use. Diving straight into the facts, this card comes with a generous welcome offer. New cardholders receive a remarkable 10% back in rewards at Pottery Barn, West Elm, Williams Sonoma, and the other 5 affiliated brands for the first 30 days of opening the account. Beyond that introductory period, the ongoing rewards rate for purchases at these home stores remains excellent at 5% back. This is a rate that leads the industry for this category of co-branded retail cards, making it incredibly lucrative for anyone planning a major home furnishing or decor purchase. What truly elevates this card above typical store cards is its rewarding structure for general spending. It gives a solid 4% back in several major common spending categories: grocery stores, dining, fast food, and food delivery. This feature means the card provides value even when you are not shopping for a new sofa or kitchenware. All other purchases made anywhere Visa is accepted still earn 1% back. The card's annual fee is a huge plus, coming in at a clear $0, and it includes valuable perks like a $25 birthday reward certificate and free standard shipping on all Williams-Sonoma brand purchases when the card is used. Shoppers who are loyal to these 8 brands will find redemption simple, as the rewards are issued as key reward certificates, which can be spent at any of the affiliated stores. Furthermore, for those big ticket items of $750 or more at the family of brands, the card offers a promotional financing option: 12 equal monthly payments with 0% interest. This is valuable flexibility for large expenditures, but it is crucial to note that if this financing option is selected, you forfeit the standard 5% rewards on that specific purchase. Now, for the necessary dose of reality and the card's major drawbacks, the most significant risk associated with this card is its variable purchase APR, which stands at an extremely high 29.24%. This single high rate applies to all purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Because of this punitive rate, the card should only be used by individuals who are absolutely certain they will pay their statement balance in full every single month. Carrying any balance will quickly generate interest charges that far outweigh any rewards earned, even the excellent 5% or 10% back. Adding to the drawbacks, the rewards you earn are highly restricted. Key rewards certificates can only be redeemed at the 8 affiliated brands, providing no option for cashback, statement credit, or gift cards to outside retailers, which drastically limits their overall flexibility. There's also no general 0% introductory APR for standard purchases. The high 29.24% rate applies immediately, making the optional 12-month equal payment plan the only way to avoid interest. But as mentioned, it means giving up the rewards. In the end, the Pottery Barn Key Rewards Visa is a fantastic tool for a very specific type of consumer: the dedicated shopper of Williams-Sonoma brands who pays off their credit card statement in full monthly. For these individuals, the 10% sign-up bonus and the ongoing 5% return, along with the 4% on groceries and dining, deliver a huge amount of value for a card with a $0 annual fee. However, the risk of the 29.24% APR cannot be overstated. This card is not designed to carry a balance, and its redemption restriction means the rewards only benefit your future purchases within their network. The summary is clear. It's a premier rewards card for home furnishing if you are disciplined, but the extreme 29.24% APR makes it a dangerous choice for anyone who occasionally carries a balance, completely negating the value proposition and making the high interest a substantial financial risk.